Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to solve forgotten Google account password on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. If you have forgotten your Google account password, you can watch this video till the end. But note that you still have a phone number registered with your Google account. Okay, here you will need to sign in or add another account, and then write your email here since you forgot your Google account password, and then you can click this option. After that, here you'll be asked to enter the phone number registered in your Google account. This is necessary to verify your Google account through your phone number. After that, you can wait for the verification code from Google and enter it in this box. Okay, and then please enter a new password that is easy to remember. And your Google account is successfully restored. Well, that's the tutorial on how to overcome forgotten Google account password on Infinix Note 30 NFC device. And this method can also applied on Infinix Note 30 and Infinix Note 30 Pro device. Please press subscribe button for more information. Thank you.